Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be trying out KFC's hot and spicy chicken wings. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video, man. I'm starving, you know what I'm saying? Alright, man. So first off, where my sauce is at, that's what I'll care about. Anyways, my go-to sauces are obviously hot sauce and ranch. More importantly, the hot sauce. KFC's hot sauce is amazing. Like, I love the tanginess, and it's just fire. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Colonel Sanders, whatever his name is. I got the combo. It comes with French fries and then the 8-piece hot and spicy chicken wings. Yeah, dig. Would you look at them chicks over there? Also got me a sweet tea, because we don't drink soda out here. Once in a while. Alright. I'm hungry. Let's try it with no sauce first. First bite. You dig? On a scale of spiciness, 1 to 10, I'll give these a 2, but the flavor-wise, an 8 out of 10. It's like a reward. You know what I'm saying? It's not dry, it's perfectly crisp, moist. Man, it's a perfect chicken wing, bro. Alright, man. KFC's hot sauce is top tier. Like, I used to, like, when in high school, when I used to go to this place a lot, I would keep these packets just cause you can use them from other foods. Like, as soon as I took a bite, I ran out of storage, man. But we back. I don't know if y'all seen that, but yeah. Get more of this. Oh. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. This was probably like the fastest I received my food in any fast food place. Like, I literally pulled up, ordered, and it came out like less than a minute, and I went straight home. Like, that's crazy, right? But shout out to the dudes over there working. My hot sauce. Ooh. Oh, yes, sir. Where do I put this? You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Asian chicken wings. If you guys haven't tried Asian chicken wings or Chinese chicken wings, I highly recommend you go and try it. If you made it this far, man, how's life been treating y'all? These past 6 months have been a roller coaster. One hell of a ride. And, you know, you guys aren't familiar, I quit my job and I'm pursuing this YouTube thing full time. And during that time, you know, I've been going through ups and downs. I've completely changed as the person, the way I think about life and all that crap. Spiritually, mentally, physically, all that thing. But yeah, man, life's been good. You guys want to join me on this journey? Hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? It'll mean a lot to me. Try to hit 1,000 subscribers. Man, it's been nice though. I haven't felt this free, haven't felt this happy in a long minute. So life's good. Cheers to that. I feel like a kid could eat this. It's not even spicy at all. This is making it spicy, which I'm glad I got. Other than that, man, I feel like they should have went a little more crazy with the spice. Look, I ain't complaining. Well seasoned, well made. This sweet tea is good, man. Oh, it's a runaway chicken wing. Look at the size of this. It's very small, but it's good for a bite size. Alright, stop. Yeah, man. You guys are still watching. You guys have any video ideas, man? Comment down below. I'll make, like, if I can do it, if I'm comfortable doing it, I'll do it. This is good. Wow. And this crazy thing is, like, it literally came in less than a minute. Which I already know they have, like, hot and ready type of thing, but still has amazing crunch, amazing flavor. I mean, it tastes like it just got made, but you know, fast food. I just felt like I need to say this. If there's something that you want to do, if there's something that's holding you back, you know, in that sense, why are you letting something that's holding you back? You know, people, like, you have a lot of time on this planet to do what you got to do, but when there's something holding you back, when there's no motivation behind something, you'll get stuck, and that stuck will last 10 years, 15 years, 23 years, whatever, the rest of your life. You'll be doing something that you're not happy with. You'll be doing something that you're just forced to do. There's ways out of it, especially in today's day. Just do it. Sometimes you gotta take a risk. The risk may be worth it. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, remember that the only thing that matters in this world is yourself. It starts with you. If you can't get yourself going, you can't get others going, so there's no point. Get yourself right, spread positivity, help others. Remember, you're one. With your mind, your body, everything. What you put in this world is what you're gonna get out. So continue to do what you gotta do. Do it, just do it. And you won't regret it. It takes time. Life's like a roller coaster. There's a bunch of ups and downs, but at the end of the day, you finish the roller coaster. You know what I'm saying? You get to where you gotta get. Thanks for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below. Until next time, make sure you guys check out these 2 videos I got going on. And I'll see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, roll to 1,000. Yes, sir.